Let's explore query operators, focusing on logical operators. These operators allow us to combine queries in powerful ways. We will be discussing the four main logical operators and, or, not, and nor. These operators are essential for building complex and precise queries in your database. The and operator is used to find documents that match all of the specified conditions. It performs a logical and operation on an array of expressions. The basic syntax involves using the keyword $, and followed by an array of conditions. Each condition is specified as a key-value pair. For example, you can specify field 1 to have value 1, and field 2 to have value 2. The AND operator will return only those documents that satisfy both these conditions. The OR operator retrieves documents that satisfy at least one of the specified conditions. It conducts a logical OR operation on an array of expressions. In its basic syntax, $OR is followed by an array of conditions. If a document matches any of the conditions listed within the array, it will be included in the results set. For instance, you might look for entries where the status is active or the priority is high. Any document meeting either of these criteria will be selected. The NOT operator is used to return documents that do not match the specified condition. It performs a logical negation on a single expression. The fundamental syntax involves the use of $not, accompanied by the condition that you want to negate. For instance, if you wish to exclude documents where a field equals a particular value, you would use $not in conjunction with the equality operator $equal to specify that documents matching that value should be excluded from the results. The NOR operator is used to return documents that match none of the specified conditions. It performs a logical NOR operation on an array of expressions. The basic syntax involves the use of the keyword $nor, followed by an array of conditions. If a document matches none of the conditions listed within the array, it will be included in the results set. For instance, you might look for entries where the status is not inactive, or the document is not marked as deleted. Only documents not meeting either of these criteria will be selected. Let's explore practical examples of these operators. Starting with the AND example, we can use it to find users who are at least 18 years old and have an active status. The OR example shows how to find users who have either the role of admin or the role of manager. The NOT example shows how to exclude documents that have a status of deleted. Lastly, the NOR example retrieves documents that are neither archived nor deleted. These examples demonstrate the versatility of logical operators in real-world queries. To create complex queries, you can nest and combine logical operators. This allows for sophisticated query conditions using multiple operators together. Here's an example of a nested query. You can use and to combine two conditions. The first condition ensures that the age is greater than or equal to 18. The second condition uses or to check if the role is admin or if the premium flag is set to true. This query finds documents where the age is at least 18, and either the role is admin or the premium flag is true, demonstrating the power of combining logical operators. Let's review some best practices and a quick reference for using logical operators. Always use indexes on queried fields to improve performance. Keep your queries as simple as possible. Thoroughly test complex nested queries to ensure they return the expected results. Also, consider the performance implications of your queries, especially with large datasets. Here's a quick summary of the operators we discussed. The AND operator requires all conditions to be met. The OR operator requires that any condition can match. The NOT operator performs negation, and the NOR operator ensures that neither condition matches. Keep these points in mind to write efficient and accurate queries. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.